Whether you are searching for the best custom glass shower enclosure installers in Dunwoody, Georgia, or you simply need a replacement shower door, call Glass Pros for a fast, free, no obligation estimate. Our shower glass installation professionals have decades of experience installing the richest, thickest, and clearest glass in upscale Atlanta homes. And you'll save money with Glass Pros because we buy glass directly from the manufacturer, avoiding the price markups from glass distributors and showrooms. For your free estimate on the best looking frameless shower doors and custom glass enclosures anywhere in North Metro Atlanta, please call Glass Pros now at 404-334-0813 and be sure to bookmark our website at glasshowerdoors.biz.